Good morning, donkeys. Today we are making porridge, Chef Donkey style.
In a saucepan, add 1 cup of oats followed by 2 cups of milk, a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Bring to the boil, continuously stirring till it thickens, then lower the heat. Carry on cooking and stirring because we need it really thick, almost like glue. Yes, I know it doesn't look very appetizing right now, but just wait and see. Alright, donkeys? Dunk it into a bowl, flatten it out and set aside to cool. Separate 3 eggs into a clean bowl, because we need the whites only. Don't worry about the egg yolks. I'm making lasagna for dinner, so I'll need them to make the pasta. Now before we do anything else, we're gonna coat our ramekins with some butter, because we're making soufflés, remember? Yep, it's not just a normal porridge. Then very important, brush the butter up because that's the direction the soufflés will rise in. Now we're gonna coat them with a bit of icing sugar and stick them in the freezer. Let's make meringue. Measure and sift 1 cup of icing sugar. Beat the egg while still nice and frothy. Place it over a pan of water at about 65 degrees centigrade. Sift the sugar in 3 stages. Now we're gonna beat this bad boy till it's quadruple in size and form stiff peaks. Bring it off the heat, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Give it a mix for good luck and set aside. Bring the gruel back that looks like something no one would want more of. Treat it as bad as it looks for a couple of seconds. Give it a spoon of your shiny meringue to turn this beast into a beauty. Quick mix to loosen up the porridge. No need to be careful at this stage. Give it a few more dollops of meringue. Now carefully fold it in using a whisk. Not a spoon, a whisk. Alright, donkeys? Now hit it with the zest of half a lemon you squeezed before you zested. And now it's uncomfortable to zest, you silly donkey. Stir in the zest. Now let's fill our ramekins. Before we carry on, you see that big lumps of sugar on the side? That's because I didn't sift the icing sugar. Do not do that. But for educational purposes, let's carry on and see what happens. Fill the ramekin with the mix. Do this finger thing and then slam it in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the quickest granola you'll ever make. In a hot pan with oil, add some nuts of your choice. I'm using peanuts, followed by a bit of oats. Look, there's no recipe here. It's quick. I'll leave you a recipe in description, alright? Drizzle in a spoon of honey and a splash of water, then cook till golden brown. Transfer to a bowl, hit it with a bit of cinnamon if you like, and there you have quick and easy granola. Now I love yogurt, so I'm gonna have yogurt to accompany my souffle. Mix in a little bit of raspberry compote I made earlier this week into a piping bag, then into a funky little jar just to make it look pretty for all you donkeys. By now the souffle should be ready. Pull her out the oven and let her join the yogurt on the plate. And for that extra bit of nuttiness, we're gonna grate on some fresh nutmeg. Now see how cracked the souffle is? That's because it's stuck to the sides, because we didn't sift the sugar. So don't do that again. Listen, learn.
And there you have the lightest porridge you ever have. Oh, it's boiling. Fluffy egg. It's like a marshmallow. Good morning, donkeys. Today we are making